Yes.
So now I'm going to do my presentation, weekly in charge presentation. So I was the WIC. WIC means weekly in charge. I was previous weekly in charge of WIP 38 model 3rd year 2025 to 2026. So this is a review of learner Gopal. And in Sunday, and these are the points: daily routine, 24-hour timetable, daily tracking, word meaning, plan. In plan, there is two parts: reason and solution. And here is the rate. In rate, there is self rate, DIC rate. DIC rate means daily in charge rate. MIC rate means monthly in charge rate. WIC rate means weekly in charge rate. And then review is with green and red pen. So we have
होल्ड ऑन, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा इतना, थोड़ा सा अक्षर काफी छोटे छोटे हैं। तो ऊपर डेली रूटीन है, उसके बाद 24 आवर टाइम टेबल, देन डेली ट्रैकिंग। तो डेली ट्रैकिंग में टोटल कितने ट्रैकिंग होते हैं? 18 18। हाँ, तो 18 लिख देना कि 18 में 0। ठीक है। वर्ड मीनिंग टोटल कितने करने होते हैं?
इन अ वीक 70।
तो 70, तो 17 के हिसाब से। ऐसे ही उसमें डेली ट्रैकिंग 18 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 हो जाएगा। देन प्लान जो है नो गो पर डे का, ये क्या है नीचे उसके?
रीजन।
अच्छा, रीजन। उसके नीचे सोल्यूशन, सेल्फ रेट, DIC रेट, MIC रेट। MIC क्या है? अच्छा, WIC रिव्यू और प्रॉमिस फुलफिल्ड। ठीक है जी।
प्रॉमिस फुलफिल्ड देयर इज टू पार्ट ट्राई एंड पोटेंशियल।
हाँ, प्रॉमिस फुलफिल्ड का क्या है?
प्रॉमिस फुलफिल्ड के बाद ट्राई एंड पोटेंशियल यूटिलाइज।
हाँ जी, ठीक है।
ईडी का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? नॉट हैपन ईडी कहां है? अर्थात देते सॉल्यूशन।
एवरीडे
और ओए
वेयर इज
क्यों देते रीजन
another activity other activity. So these are the points which we talk daily and review of these points. So daily routine and 24-hour timetable.
और डेली इनका C1 C2 क्या है, ऐसा कुछ है? कहाँ लिखा डेली इनका बनाया स्लाइड में? हाँ,
डेली
नहीं, डेली का होगा उसी तो वीकली निकाला होगा आपने। अच्छा, वीकली निकाला है आपने?
हाँ, वीकली निकाला।
अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके,
आपने बताया नहीं।
ठीक है। डेली वाले डेली इंचार्ज का भी लिख लीजिए। डेली इनका क्या रहा? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे। समझ रहे हैं? डेली इंचार्ज जो C1 C2 दिया होता है तो डेली का कर लीजिए और एवरेज के हिसाब से आप उनको वीकली वाला दे दीजिए।
तो डेली इंचार्ज वो
नहीं, आप समराइज कर रही है ना, तो जो डेली इंचार्ज के डेटा से आपको मिल जाएगा। ये लोग अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में बनाते होंगे, तो समरी लेके इनसे ही मंडे टू, आई एम जस्ट सजेस्टिंग, एक और डेटा का सही क्लैरिटी मिलेगा। जैसे जब एवरेज देते हैं आप लोग तो 7 दिन का देता है तो उतना क्लैरिटी नहीं देता, पर जब डेली का डेटा देखते हैं तो ज्यादा क्लैरिटी देता है। मालूम है क्यों? समझ में आता है आप लोगों को? मान लीजिए 7 दिन में 2 दिन लड़के ने बहुत मेहनत की, 15-15 घंटे मान लीजिए खूब किया, तो 30 घंटे हो गया उसका। बाकी 5 दिन उसके घर कोई बीमारी पड़ गया, कुछ ऐसा हो गया तो बिल्कुल नहीं आया। ठीक, तो 7 दिन का तो उसका एवरेज कितना आएगा? 4 घंटे ही आएगा पर डे नियर अबाउट। तो डेटा देके कोई समझेगा यार इसका एवरेज 4 है, जबकि उसने तो 2 दिन बहुत मेहनत किया है ना, और 5 दिन बेचारा बीमार था। तो पूरी स्टोरी का पिक्चर ये कभी कभी अलग हो जाता है। तो इट्स बेटर कि जो वीकली इंचार्ज है समराइज कर दे वो भी, C1 C2 C3। ठीक है जी, ओके।
So I think Monday not mentioned in the in charge notebook. So maybe he was absent. As per the detail of in charge notebook, there is not mention about learner Gopal. So daily routine and 24-hour timetable: Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday he did, and daily checking and word meaning he did not done even one day, and planning. On Sunday, no go, so no reason, no solution. And Monday he was absent, and Tuesday he did not achieve. The reason is because he did another activity on that time. So he gives solution. He will do all the activity as per his plan. And Wednesday also not achieved. Reason is because of presentation. He said there is a presentation, so presentation takes long time, so he did not done. He cannot do. So solution he gave, do it from tomorrow. So he will do from. He said he will do from tomorrow. And about Thursday, plan not achieved because he gave reason because of Christmas. He was absent. He was not in the center because of Christmas. So solution will be solution. He said I will. It is not happen every day, so I will do from tomorrow. And about Friday, Friday also not achieved. He gave reason because of it is more extra class and miscellaneous. Friday is free day, so he did more miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means he saw many videos, another videos, and miscellaneous and extra class happened. So he cannot do. So he kept solution. Do it from tomorrow. And Saturday about plan, he said no goal, so no reason and no solution. And now I'm going to talk about self rate. So one day he gave on Sunday he gave himself 1, and Monday is absent, and Tuesday 0.9 he give himself rate, and Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.8. This is I'm talking about self rate. Now I'm going to talk about DIC rate, daily in charge rate. So daily in charge rate on Sunday his rating of
आप लोगों को
daily in
दिखाई दे
charge-
रहा है दूर से?
हाँ दिखाई दे रहा है,
अच्छा, मैं-
हमें दिखाई दे रहा है।
आपको नहीं दिखाई, इनको दिखाई दे रहा होगा, आप इधर है।
नहीं, मेरी उस्ताद आंख नहीं, मुझे भी दिखाई, केवल ऊपर रिव्यू ऑफ गोपाल पढ़ा जा रहा है, नीचे का कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। ठीक है, नीचे की साइज बढ़ाई जा सकती थी।
हमें समझ में
नहीं, वो मैंने बढ़ाने की कोशिश की तो वो नीचे आ जा रहा था।
अच्छा, तो स्लाइड 2 कर लेंगे।
हो जाएगा।
क्यों नहीं हो जाएगा? स्लाइड 1 स्लाइड 2 नहीं हो सकता है?
only problem
क्योंकि स्लाइड दिखाना है तो सामने वाले को दिखना भी तो चाहिए।
नहीं,
और मे बी आई कुड बी, मेरी आंखें साथ दैट कुड बी।
कार्तिक भैया को भी दिखाई होना
कार्तिक भैया को तो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा।
ओके
ठीक है, दिख रहा समझ में, इतना क्लियर नहीं है।
ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है। थोड़ा सा इधर, हाँ ठीक है।
Now I'm going to talk about. I said I will. I'm going to talk about DIC rate. So on Sunday, 0.4 DIC gave him. DIC is daily in charge. DIC gave him rating 0.4. Monday he was absent, so no rating. And Tuesday 0.8, Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.7, and Saturday 0.8. This is rating. I'm talking about DIC rate. And now I'm going to talk about MIC rate. MIC means monthly in charge rate. So monthly in charge rate on Sunday 1, monthly in charge give him 1, and Monday no rating, and Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.8, and Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.8. I'm talking about MIC rate. Now I'm going to talk about WIC rate, means weekly in charge rate. So weekly in charge gave him rating on Sunday 0.7, Monday no rating, Tuesday 0.8, Wednesday 0.7, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.6. This is I talked about WIC rate, weekly in charge rate. And now I'm going to talk about review with green and red pen, which we are doing in our goal notebook. So all day, only Saturday, all day he did, except Saturday he did not done the review with green and red pen, and Monday he was absent, and Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday he did completed with green and red pen of review. And now I'm going to talk about promise fulfilled. So only only on Sunday and Friday. Sunday and Friday he fulfilled his promise, and except all the days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday he did not fulfill his promise. And I'm going to talk about try. Try is try to fulfill your promise. So Tuesday he did not achieve fulfill his promise. So, but he tried to fulfill. And Wednesday and Thursday he did not try to fulfill. And Saturday he tried. And potential utilize
When
So-
he not try to fulfill her promise,
on Wednesday and Thursday.
they
You can see.
okay.
And potential utilize so only on Sunday potential utilize and not even one day he did not utilize his full potential. Any question of learner about learner Copa? Review of learner Copa?
अपसेंट थे
Not mentioned in charge notebook. So as per the detail of the in charge notebook, he was
So
absent
whenever
one-
the people are absent without informing,
I
they should be.
inform.
No, he informed.
No, let me complete. I'm not saying it's about you. I'm saying anyone who is not, people can be absent. That's fine. Just they need to tell. If without informing, then it's an indiscipline act.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So
So
I have
inform
to write
करके
here
जाना
or
है.
somewhere
And बिल्कुल allowed है. सब जा सकते हैं. ठीक है. I'm
In-
just sharing a general observation. ठीक है. तो ये चीज ऐड कर देना कि वो उसमें भी दिखना चाहिए.
here in this
हाँ कहीं ना कहीं
presentation.
दिखना चाहिए कि भाई कोई एब्सेंट हो रहा बिना, तो वो चीज उस तरह कहीं मतलब शो हो रिपोर्ट में. ठीक है. दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. दूसरा है कि जो आप
And if parents permission, then what?
हाँ देन
what
फाइन.
I will
पेरेंट्स
write?
परमिशन है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. पेरेंट्स परमिशन है या कोई रीजन है तो देन इट्स फाइन. एटलीस्ट वी आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. सी ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि बच्चे हैं तो या तो माता पिता या फिर सेंटर. वरना लगेगा कि नहीं घर पे हैं और कहीं घर पे नहीं कहीं बाहर गाना गा रहे हैं. हो सकता है ना. तो इसलिए बताना जरूरी है. दूसरा एक है कि जो रीजन और सोल्यूशन, क्या प्रॉब्लम सोल्यूशन, तो हाउ इज दिस प्रॉब्लम, आई विल डू इट टुमारो. ये प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन कैसे होगा.
Is the solution in key?
जैसे आज कुछ हमने नहीं कर पाए. आज मैंने प्लान किया था बट कर नहीं पाया. इसका सोल्यूशन है कि करूंगा.
ये सब
सोल्यूशन तो नहीं है ना इसका.
ये
सोल्यूशन
सब थी.
सॉरी इसका रीजन तो ये नहीं हुआ ना.
No, it is solution.
रीजन में क्या था. रीजन में
रीजन में था रीजन में दे डू इट
कहीं रीजन या सोल्यूशन में मुझे जो है ना.
Solution in solution he said I will do something.
नो, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माय दिस थिंग. रीजन सोल्यूशन में मुझे आप लोगों की बात पच नहीं रही है. सो मे बी एक दो बार कोई भी रीजन सोल्यूशन को लेके थोड़ा डिटेल में बात करूंगा. ठीक है.
Okay.
आपके खुद के प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन हो सकता है, खुद का लेजीनेस हो सकता है, खुद की चीजें हो सकती हैं, खुद का मतलब ये सब चीजें जो किसी अगर मिस्टेक अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो उसको एक्सेप्ट करना है, तभी उसको टैकल करना है ना. जैसे टैकल करेंगे अपनी कमियों को पकड़ना है, फिर उसको मेहनत करना है कि वो दूर हो. ठीक है. ठीक है दीदी.
So now I'm going to talk about review of learner Karthik. So daily routine, same points. Points are same here also. So daily routine activity and 24-hour timetable he did every day. And daily tracking and word meaning he did not done even one day. And now I'm going to talk about plan, reason and solution. So Sunday he said no goal, so no reason and no solution. And Monday he did not achieve his plan because he gave reason because suddenly test happened. So he did not achieve his plan. So he gives solution. It is not happen every day. So maybe he said it is not happen every day. So I will do from tomorrow. And Tuesday he achieved his plan. So no reason and no solution. And Wednesday not achieved his plan because he gave reason because of planning mistake. So he said make proper planning. He will make proper plan. And Thursday not achieved. He did not achieve his plan because he said give reason circle of concern. Some circle of concern. So he said I will do from. It is not happen every day. So I will do from tomorrow. And Friday plan not achieved because of more extra class and miscellaneous. Friday is yes, Friday is 3 days, so he did more miscellaneous and more extra class happened and miscellaneous he did. So solution not mentioned in the in charge notebook, so I write it here. And MM means not mentioned. And now on Saturday, no goal. So no reason and no solution. And now I'm going to talk about self-rate. So Sunday he gave his self-rate 0.8, Monday 0.9, and Tuesday he gave himself 1, Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.6, and Friday 0.6, and Saturday 0.6. And now I'm going to talk about DIC rate, means daily in charge rate. So daily in charge give him the rating on Sunday 0.8, Monday 0.8, Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.5, and Friday 0.6, and Saturday 0.8. And now I'm going to talk about MIC rate. MIC rate means monthly in charge rating. So monthly in charge give him on, here not mentioned. Monthly in charge is not the rating not mentioned in on Sunday, and monthly in charge absent on Monday. EV means absent, and MM means not mentioned in charge notebook. So I write it here NM. And here on Monday he was a monthly in charge was absent. So on Tuesday monthly in charge giving rating 0.9, Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.8. Now I'm going to talk about WIC rate, means weekly in charge rate. So not mentioned on WIC weekly in charge rating is not mentioned in charge notebook on Sunday. And Monday WIC rate weekly in charge rate give him 0.8, and Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.8, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.8, and Saturday 0.7. And review with green and red pen. So he did all day review with green and red pen. And promise fulfilled. So Sunday he fulfilled his promise. Monday no. Tuesday he fulfilled his promise. And Wednesday and Thursday he did not fulfill his promise. And then Friday and Saturday he fulfilled his promise. And so Sunday he fulfilled. So yes, he tried. Monday not fulfilled, but he's trying. And Tuesday fulfilled. So yes, he tried. So he fulfilled his promise. And Wednesday and Thursday not fulfilled. So Wednesday he tried, but Thursday he did not try to fulfill his promise. Friday he achieved fulfill his promise, and Saturday also he fulfilled his promise. So yes, he tried to fulfill. And potential utilize. So Sunday no, he did not utilize his full potential.
जैसे इसी में ना एक बना दीजिएगा C1 C2 C3 वाला भी, लाइवलीहुड चॉइस वाला एक ना,
इस पॉइंट में
हाँ गाइड कर दीजिएगा.
And Monday potential utilize no, only on Tuesday he will utilize his full potential. And
सी ये सब जो भी चीजें कर रहे हैं ना, इसका एक ही ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि आप लोगों के मन का सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा बनाना, मन बुद्धि अहंकार चित्तानी का सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसा बनाना कि हर पल लोग क्या है अपना बेस्ट वर्जन बनने के लिए प्रयास करें, उसका रोटी जो है पॉजिटिव हो जाए. समझ रहे हैं? यही प्रयास. और उससे बड़ी कोई चीज नहीं जब व्यक्ति खुद से अंदर से सोचने लगे. बाहर से कोई कितना भी कह ले कर ले नहीं होता. अगर सही होगा जब अंदर से इच्छा जाएगी. धीरे धीरे हम लोग का है कि आज नहीं कल शायद जाग जाएगा, कल थोड़ा जाग जाएगा. तो प्रयास कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए सर जी कह रहे हैं तो करना है, नहीं. अपने अंदर से ही आप लोगों को धीरे धीरे इनिशिएटिव लेना होगा. कंटिन्यू.
so it is complete of learner Karthik, review of learner Karthik. Any question about him? Gopal bhaiya?
No.
Karthik bhaiya? Now I'm going to talk about review of learner Samya. So points are same. So daily routine activity and 24-hour timetable she did every day. And daily tracking and word meaning she did not done even one day. And planning. So Sunday, and now I'm going to talk about planning, plan, reason, and solution. So plan on Sunday she said no goal, so no reason and no solution. And Monday not achieved because suddenly test happened, she said. And solution she said not it is not happened every day. And Tuesday 30 he achieved his only in math. She said only in math 30 minutes left. So reason reasons he said I can do only this. She can do only this. So solution, she said she try to do more. And Wednesday plan not achieved because of presentation. So she said do it from tomorrow. And Thursday not achieved because she said of Christmas. So she was absent. So solution, it is not happen every day. So she will do from tomorrow. And Friday not achieved because not able to do because here is mistake. More solution, but it is mentioned in the in charge notebook, but it is wrong.
What is that?
Here more miscellaneous. How it can be solution?
I'll tell you.
More miscellaneous. It is solution. It cannot
And
be
reason, what is the reason?
not able to do. Who is in charge? Okay, so solution is wrong. Yeah, for my opinion, solution is wrong. And Saturday, no goal, no reason, no solution. Now I'm going to talk about self-rate. So she give herself on Sunday 1, Monday 1, Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.9, Thursday 0.8, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.9. And DIC rate means daily in charge rating. So Sunday 0.7, Monday 1, Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.9, Thursday 0.8, Friday 0.7, and Saturday 0.8. Now I'm going to talk about MIC rate means monthly in charge rating. So Sunday 0.8, on Monday 1, MIC monthly in charge rating.
I say where in charge book.
I did.
So I'm talking about MIC monthly in charge rating. So Sunday 0.8, Monday 1, Tuesday 0.9, Wednesday 0.9, Thursday 0.5, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.8. Now I'm going to talk about WIC rate means weekly in charge rating. So Sunday 1, Monday WIC is absent.
How?
I don't know. It is mentioned in the charge only.
You are the WIT.
Yeah, I was.
So how you meant I'm 10?
It is.
I didn't even read the entire notebook twice.
Who was the in charge on Monday?
You are
You are the in charge.
the entire notebook नहीं था.
In charge. Where is in charge notebook?
ठीक है, कंटिन्यू कीजिए, आगे देखिए.
So here is mistake because I was in daily in charge, but here in WIC it is stated here absent. So
MIT absent.
So here is a mistake. And now on Tuesday WIC rate 0.9, Wednesday 0.9, Thursday 0.8, Friday 0.9, and Saturday 0.9. And review with green and red pens she did every day and promise fulfilled. Only on Thursday she did not fulfill it promise, and every day she fulfilled his promise. And try also, yes, she tried every day except on Thursday she did not try to fulfill it promise. And potential utilize, she utilizes potential on Sunday, Monday. Only on Sunday, Monday. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, she did not utilize his full potential. Now I'm going to C1, C2, C3. So BM means benchmark. So for Seva 2 hour plus, C3 plus will be 2 hour plus. And time in center C3 plus, it will be, if 13 hour plus, so it will be C3 plus. And focus study C3 cycle plus, C3 plus is 3 cycle plus and 9 hour plus. And solution.
What is this 1 minute?
1 minute.
In Soumya, in front of Soumya, like C1 minus.
Average.
अच्छा, average in Seva 1 minute. Okay.
So 1 minute only Seva in average, so she is on C1 minus, and TIC 10 hour plus, so C3 minus, and focus study.
So Karthik Bhaiya has done more seva than you.
Yes, that is very 8
Hmm?
8 मिनट का है.
But you have done more than Soumya Didi. Interesting.
Why it is interesting?
Hmm.
Why it is interesting?
No, generally Soumya Didi. ठीक है, it's continue.
Continue.
So C1 minus on focus study.
Focus study number is not there.
Yeah, because no one tell about how much they did focus study.
So that you have to capture. ठीक है? So drilling charge.
It is not mentioned in in-charge notebook also.
जैसे साइकिल 3 साइकिल है 3 घंटे का नहीं है तो उसके अंदर लेकिन फोकस स्टडी होल्ड ऑन इसको कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. जैसे फोकस स्टडी 3 साइकिल है पर 3 साइकिल नहीं एक ही साइकिल हुआ तो एक साइकिल में कितना फोकस स्टडी आपने किया 3 घंटा या 3 घंटा हो गया और 2 मान लीजिए आधे घंटे का किया होगा तो 4 घंटा हो गया. एक रफ आइडिया. ठीक है धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट करेंगे और उसको भी टैकल करेंगे.
About Gopal C1 minus on Seva because 0, and C2 minus because the 9 hour plus, so it is C2 minus, and focus study C1 minus, and Karthik about learner Karthik, so Seva C1 minus because of 8 minutes, and C3 minus because of only 10 hour plus, not 13 hour achieved, so C3 minus, and in focus study C1 minus.
देखिए 3 क्राइटेरिया है. सेवा में भी आप लोग C1 माइनस है. TIC में भी कोई भी सब C2 माइनस C1 माइनस
नहीं
C3 माइनस 10 आवर कितना है
10 hour plus
10 आवर प्लस कितना है वो भी उसी के रेंज में है. फोकस स्टडी भी वही है. तो अगर आप डेली एवरेज नहीं मीट करेंगे वीकली एवरेज नहीं मीट करेंगे तो आपको लगता है कि आप मॉड्यूल का एवरेज या ईयरली एवरेज मीट कर पाएंगे. ठीक है चलिए आगे बढ़िए.
For exposure trait, learner name and eligible and
Soumya जी एलिजिबल है.
No,
व्हाई
because for exposure trait we need 12 hours.
तो
10
और इनका कितना है
10 hours.
तो ये भी सामने एक कॉलम करके लिख के ऐड कर देना. ठीक है एलिजिबिलिटी कितना है और कितना इन लोगों का है और हमारे कार्तिक सर का कितना है. नो
10
बोलिए
hour plus.
लेटर ओके यू स्पीक.
He is not eligible because we need 12 hours, but he is 10 hours plus, maybe 10 hours 30.
ओके
And for Gopal Bhaiya, he is also not eligible because his average is 9 hours.
अच्छा ठीक ओके
That's it.
ओके जी ठीक है. क्वेश्चन पूछना आप लोग.